Hello friends, welcome to Buddha Blessed Life. Once upon a dark night in a desert inn, a caravan with 100 camels faced a problem. The merchants had tied 99 camels securely, but one camel remained untied due to a missing rope and peg. Since it was midnight and the shops were closed, they approached the wise inn owner for help. The old man, renowned for his wisdom, had no physical peg or rope to offer. Instead, he suggested a unique solution. He advised them to pretend to dig an imaginary peg and mimic tying an imaginary rope around the camel. Skeptical, but with no other options, the merchants followed his instructions. To their surprise, as soon as they mimicked the actions, the camel, accustomed to the routine sound of digging and hammering, sat down and went to sleep. Confused but without a choice, the merchants also went to sleep. The next morning, they woke up early to continue their journey. They removed the ropes and pegs from the 99 camels, but the 100th camel, which had never been physically tied, refused to get up. Perplexed, they sought the old man's advice. The wise man simply asked if they had removed the imaginary peg and untied the imaginary rope. Confused, the merchants explained they hadn't used any real peg or rope. The old man chuckled and told them to repeat the actions they'd mimicked the previous night. Following his advice, they made noises as if removing the peg and untied the invisible rope. Miraculously, the camel stood up and was ready to go. Grateful, the merchants thanked the wise man, praising his profound understanding of camels. The old man humbly clarified that his insight didn't come from studying camels, but from understanding human behavior. He shared a valuable lesson about how people often tie themselves down with non-existent limitations and accept imaginary constraints imposed by others. He emphasized that, like the camel, individuals become entangled with invisible ropes and pegs throughout their lives, hindering their potential. To break free, one must question and challenge these perceived limitations, recognizing that true freedom lies in understanding and overcoming self-imposed barriers. In essence, the old man encouraged the merchants, and all of us, to liberate ourselves from self-imposed limitations, embrace our true potential, and recognize that the key to unlocking capabilities lies within our understanding and perception. By doing so, we can navigate life with a renewed sense of freedom, unburdened by imaginary ropes and pegs holding us back.